...2028 election is not for MPP. Any MPP there.
Really?
A NDC there. But it will only take an event and a mistake of the NDC for them to come to power. President Mahama will have to take the people of Ghana to a place which is called Canaan. But an event is going to happen. And when that event happens, they are going to rise, his own people are going to rise up against him. And even some are going to sabotage him because of that thing in 2028.
Okay.
And because of that, Mahama is going to decide that I won't go. But he was supposed to take the people of Ghana to the Canaan that God has showed me in the vision. Now, if Mahama decides that I will not go, then there should be a Joshua.
Okay.
That will take over from Mahama and take the people of Ghana to that place that, so the person must carry the vision of Mahama. The person must bear the mark of Mahama.
Okay.
The person must share the same vision.
Okay.
And the person must drive the same thing Mahama is driving. And who is that person? Ato Forsen. I've ended it. There is a secret meeting that went on by the MPP. Now, such secret meeting, agenda never was a secret meeting. If I tell you, you'll be afraid for this country. Honorable Kennedy will not show his face, but he will be behind.
Oh, set flag bearer and answer or call on the ticket of the base.
No.
But we'll be share.
That's it.
Send
that is going to be a very strong force. I've watched the election. I've seen the results.
2020
I've seen the outcome. In politics, Ken has ended.
So there is no way say Honorable Kenakumpe Japan
will become president. No. It has ended. The same way after 2028, Bawumia's political career will also end.
I was saying I did not so much so first time we when you subscribe to the subscription, I know what kind of the bill no ever count send a ben up with so the first person we are once every day can be say any prophet Obosheba and yes in Kunya e be say ba bi enkomo so enkomo dey fa wo me and afi mu ama nyosem e ho say and nyame e ka dey fa wo me ini mu ama nyosem so obeka ya me prophet Obosheba bi di enkomo e dey fa NPP prime minister e course who man ka say Dr. Mahama Bawumia and e be di enkunma mpa to aba ni wi na Dr. Mahama Bawumia and e di enkunma fei 2028 e beto aba Dr. Mahama Bawumia ene hwan ene free NDC mu a wo e ko kame ho na mo di fu akwaba na fe fan komo no enhyehyɛ so before
yeah
mo akwaba
me da semi ba
ye share ya che
yes
before bibi aboko
adomonti bibi e fine
e de nyame ase
e fine yes nyame ho yebobo
okay amen before me no di nkomo
yeah
Edefa NPP prime minister ho Emma said Dr. Mahama Bawumia be din kunu.
That's all right.
And by the time we were din kunu. You who said the base be actually tea. Honorable Doko the base and other NPP.
Me never say. Na ayevu nyina also me chi obi bia.
We have Joso.
Na ye nya kopon sese wo de yankwa cheye. Na o de adomadom ye. I told Uncle was a prophet you watch it. Now when he said, I didn't want to seek a crack.
Okay.
Bible said, home no by Jesus. So now, or the no copy also for 40 days and 40 nights until when the Spirit comes upon you. And sometimes it takes you into hidden.
Okay.
Now, I do I could see. Now, I could church when you maybe. Now, I could see you. Now, I'm back in a new strength.
Okay.
So we are back. We are our strength has been renewed. The days here, they are Masha Hong Kong.
Okay.
But I think Kennedy will not show his face when it comes to the base. But it will become strong force because another strong force will come out of the MPP. And they had the MPP that was according to the prophecy and according to the vision. And they had the MPP. But what I'm saying is that Honorable Kennedy will not show his face. But he'll be behind.
Oh, set flag bearer and answer or call on the ticket of the base.
No.
But we'll be share.
That's it.
Send me
that is going to be a very strong force.
Okay. Odi for be say sa bro share the base here. Honorable kana ko Japan ne nkofo a edi machi on social media wo platforms ni ade na omodi bo the base ne ho daru. It is any wo ka say wo mi ne nim no. E bi say wa sheda or ta 2028 yes election year nim no. Akabe 4-5 months to election wo atwe it say on the base ne ko.
No, I'm not sure. Because what I'm saying, Kennedy was not in the 2028 election.
Oh, okay. No.
I've watched the election. I've seen the results.
2028
I've seen the outcome.
OG4. OG4, 2028. You're young too.
Yes. So, Obekaya, and I'll show you by evidence.
Okay.
So, Obekaya, 2024, and I'm a share flag bearership for MPP Hong Kong. According to the vision I've seen, yen 2024 for Abaye. Abana yebe 2024 no. Yen 2 year and I'm sure comes and Bawumia will still be the flag bearer for MPP in 2028.
Okay.
So if I can say that at that time, what shows that I cannot tell you what has already happened in 2028?
And yeah, 2028, no, I know.
I will come there.
Okay.
I will come there now. Yeah, very interesting. 2028 election is very interesting and one of the finest. Very interesting.
What about the Mammy say NDC? Almost the face we are at the in the book, and now the new face never.
Now, as I'm here, my main proof will be about. But according to the visions I've seen, there are only 2 options for the NDC. If they miss these 2, they are losing the 2028 election.
NDC.
Because I've already seen who win the election and who will not win the election when they come to the NDC.
Okay.
So that's it. But let me show unto you. Now you're share time we share. Okay, this is it. I'm showing you a rating of it. What date was that?
1st October 2024.
Now, start 2024 October. No, see the 2024 by. Yet to no December, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What did I say?
NPP will lose 2024 election.
So I was still on it saying that NPP is going to lose 2024 election.
And be in opposition for 12 years.
Yes.
But Bawumia will still be their flag bearer for 12 years.
Okay, so if I've said that, then it means I already know from 2024.
But also no opposition for 12 years.
Yes.
Meaning 2028 in your mondia.
No.
But okay, say the NDC for you BBI they make something that they will not win 2028 elections.
The thing I make catch you say, I'm not so losing a kunya, and then Yamra's cases for losing a kunya, but BBI ye intia.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So you can be given what has been given you, but by your own mistakes you can miss it and you can lose it.
Okay.
And the entrance of the coming to that one.
Okay, so he will win the next flag bearership election.
Thank you.
With number 3.
Yes.
And remain their flag bearer.
Yes.
But Ken's group will form another force.
Yes.
Out of the NPP.
Thank you. Okay, so from 2024, I've already told you by vision, they are ABC 2028. And I don't know when even Satan, NPP for Krano, a better Omaba.
Okay.
Are you getting me? I didn't know they'll bring it earlier. I didn't know what they'll do. But I've already seen it. I've already witnessed what will happen. Eka say another force will come. And it will be from Ken's camp. Now, when if he
Ken's camp.
That is it. Same one waka say the platforms in a dia normally a But you see, Ken will not show his face. Kennedy will not he will be the flag bearer of the NPP in this 2028 election.
Oh yeah, then.
Yes, when you don't listen to God, that is what will happen to you.
That
is it. That is it. Now let me take you back to 2020. Time on last flag bearership.
Okay.
On my last certain more power, and I said, the flag bearer was for Alan. Not a Alan there.
Okay.
But Omabeya ma Alan if we party him. Say Alan free party name, there will be no flag bearer for MPP. But the only is somebody to sue Bawumia, but Bawumia need to be a force that is behind him. They be choosing. But when they choose Bawumia, Ken should not campaign for Bawumia. Yes, sometimes the instructions of God can be difficult, but you must follow it. And the group of Ken, USA branch, Canada, whatever, they called me, and I told them the same thing. That if Ken, because Embrana Alan, a free party anymore, not flag bearership, no, I have vacant.
Okay.
And it wasn't for Bawumia. And Bawumia knew by the people he has gone to that it wasn't for him.
Okay.
In Tisata, no Ken call Alan ho. Money Alan could ding come on, not dear Ken call ye, and my dear see Alan so back so. So the only thing left was for Ken not to campaign for Bawumia.
Na no for honorable NPP.
That's it.
Na wama poko na Dr. Mahama Bawumia na idin kuni. Na honorable ankwa ye campaign and farm mana. Ka send me a bet again no.
He will still win the flag bearership. He would have been the flag bearer today. That was the simple instruction from God. That is it. Until the day God told me at that time, and I said it clear at that time, said the day you will campaign for Bawumia and stand on a platform with Bawumia to campaign for him, so that never feel so. Until the day I was campaigning about Bawumia, I still kept quiet. I thought, okay, God could have done anything. I was there, and God told me he has lost it. So Bawumia will still be the flag bearer 2028 with number 3. So if I can even say the number, I would be to 2020 or the flag bearer. And Bawumia not that number here. It was number 3. The same way 2024 election, they can say any better number 8, and then we need the election. Did they miss it? No. So because he has missed it.
Sabe also flag worship no every honorable Kenso.
That's it.
Also say on singing on tie the base for Nechi.
Now my statement clearly is that say Ken missed that mantle to become the flag bearer. His political career is dead.
So automatically no.
That is it.
The political career
is dead.
But therefore, Abba MPP for two abani we no. Prophecies they do na kwa bonse. E bi prophesy ma honorable can accomplish.
That's it.
It's one more two abani we na honorable amfam.
Yeah.
A day for be Bible say the car say still last and commission na e dan so baba Ghana man penin. E hangi ho. Enti obetimi abaye Ghana president. But also what say the political career
it has ended. Ken in politics, Ken has ended.
So there is no way say honorable can accomplish Japan
will become president.
No, of Ghana.
No, it has ended. It has ended.
One more car says I'm commission that's what hang on. Okay.
Are you getting me? The same way 2024 people prophesied. The same way flag bearership no same confusion come. Are you getting me? People said what they have to say. People prophesied. Are you getting me? But then they see it.
Okay.
You see, we are telling what we are saying, and you could witness our prophecies that we have never failed in prophecy. Are you getting me? I can fail you in time. I can tell you something I'll fail, but when it comes to prophecy, I won't fail. So what I'm saying. So I am telling you what I'm seeing.
Okay.
I'm a finishing prophet. So when I tell you something I've witnessed already. The same way after 2028. If what I'm seeing, the event I'm seeing, if it happened the same way and nothing changes, the same way after 2028, Bawumia's political career will also end. According to prophecy.
And then there's a end the amount for political career.
Oh no, I am not the one ending it.
Okay.
But according to prophecy, that is why I say if what I'm seeing holds, and if the event I'm seeing still stands, it will come to an end after 2028.
Meaning 2028, Dr. Mahama Bawumia to mean with the election.
2028 election is not for MPP. Any MPP there.
Really?
A NDC there. I have already told you that according to my prophecy in 2024, they will be in opposition for 12 years.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So when they will be in position for 12 years, it means 2028 is not for them. I know more there. But it will only take an event and a mistake of the NDC for them to come to power. And that event is closed. So that's here. And it's in a year to end this full.
And maybe I said, "Doom so cause your mistake in Indiana."
No, the doom is not part of it.
Doom so
and there is no doom.
Oh, therefore.
Yes.
Doom so be anyhow.
Yes.
And you want to go now. Okay, so I fail no, but then I'm more money. Yes, they say can you do? And I also do so be am.
Well, I gave that prophecy earlier before. I think in December. I wasn't doing interviews.
Okay.
So the only thing I was doing is post. I was only posting. And then I gave that prophecy that there is a plan going on.
Okay.
And there is a meeting going on for Doomsaw to come back.
Okay.
So that's it. So according to that prophecy, there is plans going on. There is meetings going on for Doomsaw to come back. Because the only campaign message for 2028 will be that.
Udi for beba plans na cost say Doomson and Simon. Yebisa say why mo na plan no say Doomson and Simon. But okay say 2028 election no. What the Kenyan results no.
Yes.
What who ni obefa.
What
the catch say Dr. Mahama Bawumia there.
Yes.
Okay, NDC enyanko enko yi ni be the party no.
Yeah.
And I will see results in the campaign. Minister say a DAPP when this no Dr. Atofolson Esidun Ketia Sami Jenfi Okujeto Ablakwa Haruna Idrisu a great minister and a vice president in Mwina Eco 2028.
Well, let me come quickly into that. I have seen the lineup for that race.
Okay.
And the lineup I've seen in that race, Sami Jenfi was not in it.
Okay.
Vice president was not in it.
Okay.
Okujeto Ablakwa was not in it.
Okay.
The only people I see standing there in the race was Haruna Idrisu, Atofolson, and I see Asidun Ketia.
Okay.
And I see the current agric minister also standing in that race.
Okay.
And whilst the race was about to begin, an angel came and said there will be no race.
Beautiful. And this is woman conquer beautiful.
An angel came to them, and I saw Mahama standing.
Okay.
So now what Mahama is holding, Mahama is going to be the decider of the 2028 and the decider of the flag bearership.
That's it.
Because the Indian can say, according to Moses, who say, Emra Moses at the mountain of Joshua. That is why I keep in my prophecy and I say, a Joshua that will take over from Moses, or a Joshua that will take over from President Mahama. Now, because Joshua, no, I heard prophets started saying, he said, Joshua Labi, Joshua Labi, and all. Joshua Labi is not even in the race I've seen.
Okay.
He's not. He should not even waste his money.
Just on the
He won't even get anything. He won't get anywhere.
Okay. That is a near Obi a watcher or party.
No. We are talking about the will of God.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So I keep talking about the David in the bush that God is preparing. The David that is coming. And I keep talking about the Joshua that will take over from President Mahama. Now the thing is that President Mahama will have to take the people of Ghana to a place which is called Canaan. Just as Moses was supposed to lead the people of Israel. Now Odioma Canaan assassins. But an event is going to happen. And when that event happens, they are going to rise, his own people are going to rise up against him. And even some are going to sabotage him. I can mention their names. Some are going to sabotage him because of that thing in 2028.
Okay.
And because of that, Mahama is going to decide that I won't go. But he was supposed to take the people of Ghana to the Canaan that God has showed me in the vision. Now, if Mahama decides that I will not go, then there should be a Joshua.
Okay.
That will take over from Mahama and take the people of Ghana to that place that, so the person must carry the vision of Mahama. The person must bear the mark of Mahama.
Okay.
The person must share the same vision.
Okay.
And the person must drive the same thing Mahama is driving. And who is that person? Atofolson. I've ended it.
Odifo. That is a finance minister at the forcing.
He's the chosen.
Hey, Odifo.
He's the chosen.
But yeah, share amount for Sabi Omugada post ni dates and Yadiana. A dear Omode Bandi at a forcing come on there, but almost Johnson is student Ketia. I know you be a wish ready kind of power.
It will surprise you. It will surprise you. There is something spiritual that we are going to do. And when we do that, you will see that every pose, everything, you see, Ato is going to lead with no contest. That is why I say an angel came and said there's no race.
Oh, okay. Can be besides all kinds of besides swear declaration second and
until I'm saying angel not be do. Because what I saw was that the reason I said the angel said there's no race. Now, say me to describe Mahama dress or be share. I'm not yet to Abba. Will I not tell you what will happen?
Okay.
I'm not yet made that tamale. Now me yet direction mind this for 2028 for 2024 election. In 2028 come on. You know, because I already seen 2020, so okay. it has been there. You know, and I could describe how the dress Mahama were exactly. And it didn't change. Why won't I tell you what will happen? Do you know how I saw that vision?
How?
I was sleeping at my bed because we have been to 3 regions before we have to sleep in Tamale.
Okay.
And then the next day we'll continue to Bawumia's hometown, then we'll go to Nanalugo, and then we'll continue to Bolga. And Bolga, at that day we have to get to Wa before Adiabesa. I was sleeping and then the angel woke me up and said, you have to pray.
Okay.
And I said, why should I have to pray? You know, I'm my bread. He said, there's a vision you have to see right now. Now, in the vision, I saw Mahama wearing a very filthy garment. And the angel said, do you see what is happening? I said, you see, that's how people are rejecting him.
Okay.
Because able to baby in 2024, and I said 2023, but no, say no, go for SM. I said, baby, I'm a Bawumia, every like MPP was all over. And I said, Atadia was shading, you know, and Nankofonia day. So he was wearing a filthy garment. And I saw the angel holding another garment. And this garment that the angel was very beautiful, very a white garment, very designed, well designed, very nice. And the angel said, you are going to remove this dress, this filthy dress from him. And this is the dress he's going to wear. Now, if he wear this dress, that is all he has. That is all.
Okay.
And Jimmy will say, above me, no, a ye sata diana Mahama sheno. If you know, no more atadiana mekano, or dear swearing in no, edition.
Okay.
That is how I was able to describe the dress.
Okay. Odifo, what can I say? Amount for na sabotage na one more planning to so here. Course and no the campaign message at the Ama 2020.
No, because the campaign message, actual campaign message, the 2028 election is going to depend on economy. Let me tell you.
Okay.
Because all the campaign messages I was listening to, all the campaign platform I was hearing, the thing that was leading was the economy. It was economy. Now, when it comes to economy, now if by the time 2027 will come to an end, we come to 2028. When it comes to the economy, MPP cannot talk.
Okay.
If what I'm saying stands, they cannot talk when it comes to economy. So they have to look for something to be able to campaign. So the biggest campaign message for MPP will be doom so. It will be created. It will be created. It will be created.
What kind of say it will be created? And that is it. Oh, boy, one more Cassania, and this is for no major some the solve problem now. Almost shifted blame no at their good MPP for because some more Ben Medusonaba. In someone fixing no more they blame me before saying MPP for the church as any walking in a way no form of Swana.
No, I am not giving you what people are saying, I'm giving you prophecy. And prophecy is different from what men are saying.
Okay.
So that's it. Now, why do I say me this thing I'm telling you? I've told top NDC people. And I've told them about the secret meeting. If I tell you the things in the secret meeting, you will fear.
I said, "Don't say yes, spiritual, don't say
no." I said it will be created.
Okay.
So that's it. And I'm catch you say there is a secret meeting that went on by the MPP. Now, such secret meeting, agenda never was a secret meeting. If I tell you, you'll be afraid for this country. That is it. If I tell you, so I told some top NDC people that matters, say Adiwe and the Babisi, and it was including Dumso.
Okay.
It was including national security issues in the country. It was including kidnapping. It was including armed robbery. It was a lot of it was included. A lot of it was like including from 2027. You will see demonstrations.
Yeah, because of Ghana.
Yes, because they will use the institutions. MPP will use the institutions.
Okay.
Yes.
And then in the still in this best standard so now 2028 election as I yomudia. Okay, access some may see BB.
Yes.
Mistake Ben as
when they miss the flag bearership.
Okay. And some man fast so force them back. Now
apart from forcing and President Mahama, nobody can win election for NDC 2028.
In the one more Haley Doctor said
he will lose beautifully.
Beautiful. What is beautiful like
yes. You just bring him. We are here.
Okay.
You just bring him. You see, this is how I talk. And when I'm saying the thing like this, you will take it as a joke. Because I'm just saying it simply. So that's here. Sana yebe tuaba MPP fu yebe tuaba. Ufa baby a Ken. Ufa baby a Ken. Ufa baby a Ken. And I keep saying, say, baby, I'll be Kubi and Yabet was a Kenafa. By Yabet to Abani, you never marry. And as a matter of fact, I won't lie to you, I met Bawumia.
Okay.
I met him, and the day I met Bawumia, I told him the figure he will get with a brother of mine.
Okay.
I told him, say, at the time I was sitting with him in Kumasi at that day, I told him the figure is 55.8 thereabout. But we are going to do a direction to seal it. And when we seal it, he will get 56%. I told him his special aid was there. His people were there.
Okay.
And that was the day I subdued everybody under him. And anointed him. And said, you have subdued everybody. There will be no race.
Okay. Oh, therefore, Saturday, you say NDC force. One more, any mistake be an some that so force in bad year. 2028 election.
You see, the election I'm looking at. If NDC bring that to force, it will be the easiest election we'll find in this country. The easiest election.
Okay.
Because Atu is anointed from birth to be a leader. It's a calling. It's a gift. There's nothing you can do about it.
Okay.
Share, and you'll be a one who you. Yankopon decided to be fa or hini ediama or my Israel. Na a man yame a years old before hinama Israel. One of office you were a teacher for mine. Your omo giant. Your momo so. Your momo omunia omu war raising him. What called Jesse Fee, not just a Maya, not just a Mados. It teach you nearby. Ya messenye omona mepero. Your wing would more. Yiji namano. Or no langos ramadanso.
Okay.
It's a munko fanambra. So it is about the calling.
Okay, therefore, yeah, the young common AC na Saturday 2028. So say Dr. Mahama Bawumia where we near and also the political career.
Yes, but you see, the beautiful thing about Dr. Bawumia is that if he loses the 2028 election, he is going to get an appointment in Africa. So that's it. So he is going to still be active.
Okay.
But not when it comes to Ghana, he has ended.
On one day decided say on Kubin.
His people will, like nobody will take him again. Nobody will take him straight. They will reject him. They will leave him. Everything will end.
Because next time I say NPP a party as so many mujidia, no many mujidi, only another danko kufuado, echo 3 times and son of what's me.
I will not get that opportunity.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
That's about the second chance, and
the last one, no calling to money home.
And apart from after Dr. Mahama Bawumia, why the bits made the NPP?
I know, but I won't tell them because they are not willing. I know who win election for NPP. I know very well.
And you're not working so.
No, I know very. It will surprise you. No, don't guess. I know the person, and I've told them some of them before. Okay, but they didn't take it serious.
Also, some men get come the possible names.
I won't tell them.
Okay,
I won't tell them. I won't tell them.
Ade, only more
no.
Some company for so free as rebel so the man when you call to say no one in Temwa, Uncle Madam was not a penny.
If they are willing.
Okay.
If they are willing.
Okay.
So that's it. If they are willing. If you are willing to go and inquire, that what should we do? Bible said, and David inquired from the Lord.
Okay.
Should I pursue them? If I pursue them, will I meet them? If I meet them, will I recover all? So you have to inquire, what will I do? If I do this, will I win? If I do this, will I lose? Can I recover? What should I do? You must inquire.
Any people I won't pay inquiring wrong.
It is up to them. Anything I may say. And NDC is going to also be in the same soup. Because as I'm telling you, in this flat bearer sheet I'm saying, there's going to be a confusion in the NDC. And if they did not solve that problem, also there's going to be a problem. Are you getting me? Because we because me my bache, me na me wo mache, me na say do me so. Say e do me so asem no. It must be somewhere.
And I just say we dey say time now to the answer near working, near see wo MPP mu abra no mo ko race ya.
It is not far from the NDC.
Company me no more heated than
It is not far from the NDC.
NDC is we an fair share.
Yes. The only thing that will save the NDC is for everybody to know his rank and his place. That is why they need a genuine prophet.
Okay.
Are you getting me? When I talk, someone say, "Are you not a prophet for NDC?" I'm not a prophet for NDC. I'm a prophet of God. And they have their prophet they inquire for. Are you getting me? So who is going to lead them and say, if you go this way, you will lose. If you go this way, you will. And to be able to tell everybody his place, who should be flag bearer? Who should be the vice? It is only 2 people that can be vice. Only 2 people can be vice from the NDC. The rest will not help them.
Okay.
Are you getting me? And Nasiedun Ketia is the leader of the NDC, no Mahama. Take it today.
Nasiedun Ketia
is the leader of
NDC. General.
Yes. He is the father, he is the leader of NDC.
Some penina and aware spiritual way.
I'm telling you spiritual things.
Okay.
It's like Moses that is leading Israel. Nasiedun Ketia is the leader. Whether you like it or not. That is why he must not go into the race. That is it. Green pot now. That is why I keep talking about the green pot. Or Jim green pot now. Abo road now. Out of form. NDC will lose the battle. And it's now Kai Israel Mira. Yes, sister Moses in Sabah for Manai. Now Israel for a day. Now Moses in Sakosura. Thank you. So that is how powerful Nasiedun Ketia is.
Okay.
So you must know your place and your calling. Say, this is my rank, this is my place, this is my calling.
But if when you're working, so Obi Kase, what's it? We'll shut down your campaign and I will cancel with your favor, honorable auto forcing. Send a bear, a Nasiedun Ketia, in your chance. Only the Panabaya.
And to make an favor about me. When I was prophesying, do you know what they did to me 2024 election?
Okay.
Do you know the national security calls that are coming from Bawumia's office? Do you know the threatenings I may receive from Bawumia's office? Do you know? When I was, so will I still will I still prophesy for Bawumia? Okay. Will I still meet Bawumia and pray for him? Will I still meet Bawumia and anoint him?
Okay.
No, I'm doing what God has sent me to do.
But therefore, I can see, the ultimate, presidency, Kunyana na womope. Eziana asofo no say women will say, honorable Dr. Mahama Bawumia owns me really president. Now also one anointed. That now shall one guy say, Papa, Okwanya they are bringing into the program.
said, I anointed him for the flag bearership, not for the presidency.
Okay.
There are two different things. And I know the reason why I helped Bawumia to win the flag bearership. I know I have my own reasons.
Okay.
God told me what to do. And God said, if Ken win, this is what will happen. If this one win, this is what will happen. If Brian Champion. But you see, that Brian Champion, they should watch him well.
And I said, "Oh, my clues."
Yeah.
Oh, therefore,
I've not said anything.
Okay.
But I just said they should watch him well.
I just
said they should watch him well.
Okay.
He's an asset. Okay. I can end it there.
Okay. So that's it.
So it is not that I am saying anything to favor Ato Force. Okay? It's not somebody I'm very close with. So that's it. I am doing what I'm called to do. I am doing what I'm come to do. And you see, I heard people were asking me when I returned. Said there is this thing that is going on. Say, Ato Force she will become vice president. Ato Force is not called to be vice president. If Ato Force become a vice president, while saying a career, he has missed what he has been called for.
Okay.
Ato Force is not called to be vice for anybody. No. Ato Force is to be in finance, from finance to president.
Okay.
So that's it. So that is why I said that, you see, when you are taking a step, you must look for people who know the depth of things. Who can tell you this is how you must go, this is what you must do, and this is the outcome. But I can tell you clearly that 2028 election is very interesting.
Okay. Therefore, Medasapa. Abusia, aha, and a Burma quine, and me and come treating that is the minute prophet Boshaba and a D and common message over your comments, our comment section for a dear mammy. All the social media handles, no, a too much GH. All subscribe like your share now.